There are 5 things you should never give people, even if they beg for it.
Even if it seems kind. The Stoics knew this. They understood that some gifts aren't gifts at all.
They're weapons against yourself. And weak men give them away without thinking.
Strong men, they guard them like treasure. Here are the 5 things you never give, no matter who asks. 1. Your peace of mind. Someone comes with drama, wanting you to worry and stress with them.
To lose sleep over their problems. You think I'm a good friend, but you're not sacrificing your inner peace.
Not outside events. They're chaos, not your burden. A strong man listens, but doesn't carry what isn't his. Keep your peace. It's the only thing truly yours. 2. Your time to prove yourself.
People will ask you to explain, justify, and defend who you are. You don't owe them that.
Epictetus said, "If someone speaks badly of you, consider if what they say is true. If it isn't, laugh. Your worth isn't up for debate. Your character isn't on trial."
A disciplined man knows the right people see him. The wrong people wouldn't believe him anyway.
Stop giving explanations to people who already made up their minds. 3. Your self-respect for acceptance. This is the killer. You want to be liked, so you bend, you shrink. You become less to fit in.
And they accept you, but it's not really you they're accepting. It's the fake, small version.
Seneca wrote, "It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more."
That is poor. You're rich when you respect yourself, poor when you trade it for approval. A strong man would rather be alone than accepted and hollow. Never give up who you are for people who don't know who they are. 4. Your forgiveness too easily. Forgiveness is powerful, but not weakness or automatic. Someone wrongs you. They say sorry, and you're supposed to just forget?
He protected himself. A disciplined mind forgives for its own peace, not to make others comfortable.
Real forgiveness is earned, not demanded. 5. Your loyalty to people who don't deserve it.
This one hurts because loyalty feels noble. But loyalty to the wrong person? That's not honor, that's self-destruction.
The Stoics were loyal to virtue, not to people who betrayed it. You don't owe loyalty to liars.
To people who only show up when they need something. A strong man is loyal to those who earned it.
Not to those who expect it. Cut dead weight. Protect your energy. Your loyalty is sacred.
Stop giving it to people who treat it like garbage. These 5 things are yours. Don't give them away.
Not for approval, not for peace, not for anything. The Stoics guarded their inner world like warriors, and so should you. If this resonates, comment which one you struggle with most for us.
Let's build this discipline together. Now go, protect what's yours, let no one take it.